What up, fellow makers? It's your boy 3DJ, and today I'm sharing my honest thoughts on the Bambu Lab A1 after using it for the last 8 months. Just so we clear, this isn't sponsored. I bought this printer with my own money, and as someone who is completely new to 3D printing, I wanted to give you a real beginner's perspective. Now, after 8 months of almost non-stop printing, and yes, 3D printing is addictive, I can confidently say the Bambu Labs A1 is one of the best entry-level 3D printers you can buy on the market. Right out of the box, setup is incredibly easy. Assembly took me about 30 minutes. The instructions are easy to read. If you're a visual learner, there's also a QR code that links you to a full setup video. The printer handles all of the calibrations for you. Just start the calibration process and it automatically checks everything from bed leveling to vibration calibration and your XYZ axis calibration as well. No manual adjustments required. The build quality also impressed me. It feels premium with sturdy plastic and aluminum construction. Nothing about it feels cheap, and it comes with everything you need to get started. This includes your filament for your first test print and the tools needed for regular maintenance. Now, speaking of maintenance, it's one of my favorite things about this printer. The A1 actually tells you when it's time to lubricate your rails or perform any type of maintenance. Most of the parts are designed to be easily removed and replaced, and routine maintenance for me usually takes about 15 minutes. Now let's talk the software. The printer interface is simple and beginner friendly. Loading the filament, troubleshooting, checking the printer status, all of that is straightforward. Now, if you're on desktop or laptop, you'll mainly use Bambu Studios and MakerWorld. Sending prints from MakerWorld to your printer is effortless. The only downside is that Bambu Studio does have a bit of a learning curve if you want to edit models or create your own design from scratch. I wish it was a little bit more beginner friendly, but once you learn it, it's a very powerful programming tool. Now, on the flip side, MakerWorld is absolutely incredible. There are thousands of free, high-end quality models created by an amazing, talented community. It's honestly one of the best parts of owning a 3D printer. The mobile app is another huge one for me. As long as your printer is connected to Wi-Fi, you can start prints from almost anywhere in the world. I've checked on prints while I was away from home and even stopped failed prints before wasting a whole roll of filament. Now, my biggest complaint is the built-in camera. It's great for monitoring your prints remotely, but the image quality isn't the best, especially in low light situations. The time-lapse video also requires good lighting, and using that feature can sometimes mean adding extra support to your prints, which means using more filament and adding more time to your prints. Overall though, these are pretty small complaints compared to everything this printer gets right. And if you're looking for an affordable, reliable, beginner-friendly 3D printer with excellent software, an amazing community, and easy maintenance, I have no problem with recommending the Bambu Labs A1. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful in any way, please be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, hype a brother up, and until next time, keep making, and deuces.